In today's video, we're gonna talk about how to make money on YouTube by making videos. YouTube Partner Program allows creators to monetize their videos through ads, channel memberships, and the YouTube Affiliate Program. To join the YouTube Partner Program, you need a YouTube channel with 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Ad revenue is the most common way to make money on YouTube, where creators earn a portion of the revenue generated from ads on their videos. Channel memberships allow viewers to pay a monthly fee for special perks, generating recurring income for creators with at least 30,000 subscribers. The YouTube Affiliate Program lets creators earn money by promoting products or services through affiliate links, earning a commission on sales. Steps to start making money on YouTube include creating a YouTube account, consistently uploading high-quality content, enabling monetization, promoting videos, engaging with the audience, and exploring other revenue streams. To maximize revenue, creators should focus on increasing views and engagement by using eye-catching thumbnails, relevant keywords, social media promotion, collaborations, and experimenting with different content types. Tips for becoming a successful YouTube content creator include finding a niche, being consistent, interacting with the audience, investing in quality equipment, and staying up to date with trends. Alternative ways to make money on YouTube include becoming an affiliate marketer, promoting products and services through review videos or tutorials, and earning a commission on sales. YouTube Premium, a subscription-based service, allows content creators to earn a share of the subscription revenue based on watch time. Other ways to monetize a YouTube channel include brand partnerships, merchandise sales, and sponsored content. Projected trends for making money on YouTube include an increased focus on niche content, the rise of live streaming, more brand partnerships, and the expansion of YouTube Premium. Benefits of being a successful YouTube creator include financial independence, creative freedom, growth opportunities, and the ability to make a positive impact. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.